Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need Microsoft 365 Word and an active microphone. Once those are ready, open the document and sign in so cloud dictation can run. Make sure your OS and browser allow microphone access, because Word uses that permission to capture audio. Next, focus the cursor where you want text to appear and click the Dictate button on the home ribbon, the microphone icon. Once done, you'll see a listening indicator. That confirms Word is receiving audio and is ready for spoken input. Now refine how Word listens. Open the Dictate menu to select your language and to enable or disable automatic punctuation if available, because language choice affects recognition accuracy. Speak naturally but state punctuation like comma or period when needed. Say new line or new paragraph to structure text. If you notice misrecognition, switch to a headset mic or move to a quieter spot to reduce background noise, as cleaner input yields fewer errors. Make sure when you finish speaking, click Dictate to stop recording so Word stops inserting text. You can then edit errors with the keyboard or continue using voice commands for corrections. Use undo or review tools to adjust formatting and run a quick proofread. Spoken text often needs small fixes. If dictation fails, make sure the microphone permission is enabled, your Office apps are updated, and your internet connection is stable. Often a restart of Word or the computer resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.